Hey guys, so a lot of people aren't really showing this, but I wanted to actually give you guys the tickers, or at least a way to look at exactly what's going on in the Hong Kong market. I know a lot of traders don't even know that some markets in China are actually trading. You know, a lot of people think that it's not going to be open until Wednesday. That's actually false. Hong Kong's market is actually open, and it's a very good indication of what might possibly happen on Wednesday when China's stock market officially opens. This is from today. This is a drop on Cynic Holdings for today. This is on the weekly chart. You know, if we take the actual high to low from just today, that at the open, you know, we dropped 87% on Cynic Holdings. The ticker for this one is 2103. Sorry, I just ate a cookie and I'm like burping. But another way to look at this is if you go into your filters for trading view. Again, on the bottom of cancel, you hit the little filters. You go into sources. You go all the way down to where it said to Asia. So you go to the Asian market, which would be right. Oops, I think I passed it. Asia Pacific, there we go. So you go into Asia Pacifica, you go to HKEX, which is the Hong Kong exchange. You go all the way back up, you hit back, and then you can basically go into every single ticker that trades on the Hong Kong exchange. Hong Kong is open. Hong Kong is open right now. Hong Kong has been open since earlier, probably today. And you can actually see everything that's been happening for the last, you know, however long. Evergrande, the ticker that's been talked about the most right now, has been trailing down ever since February of this year. If you look at the monthly chart, Evergrande has given us, you know, a significant reason to be short ever since, you know, March of 2021, right? Huge downfall from $16 to $2 a share for the Hong Kong market, but it has been going down ever since. You know, it's just been on a downtrend ever since 2017, just straight down. But again, you can actually go into your trending, go to the filters, sort it or filter it by HKEX, which is the futures market for Hong Kong. Evergrande, let's go to Tencent. What happened today? Tencent on the day, let me see. So on the day, they didn't actually really drop all that much today, but everything else has been, you know, everything has been pretty consistent on the downtrend. What else? Baba. Let's see if Baba has anything. Again, just a slight move downward. But if you do go look at the 2103, which is the Cynic, 2103, cannot find it. 2103, Cynic Holdings, which is very similar to Evergrande and to the general Chinese market. You can see that it had a massive dip, and I think this is kind of foreshadowing what can happen on Wednesday. I don't want to say that it's going to drop 87%, but it is not looking good right now. I'll tell you guys that. And I think Wednesday is going to be a very big day, and also Thursday, which is when Evergrande is supposed to actually pay their interest. I do not think that they're going to pay their interest. I'm like 99.9% sure they're not going to pay their interest, which is why I bought the puts on Alibaba. But yeah, if you guys want to do this yourselves, go onto the TradingView app or the TradingView desktop, whatever you're using. Filter the source of the tickers. So go to your sources, go down, like I said, where it says Asia Pacific Market. Filter to HKEX, which is the futures exchange for Hong Kong. Again, go back, and then you basically have all the tickers that are most popular in the Hong Kong exchange. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. You know, just keep an eye out, because I do think that we have not seen the worst of what's happening. So good night.